Does it look like the classic adobo? No, it's simpler than that. There's only one ingredient, and it's something red. There's learning and fun about this drink today at my little kitchen. Hello, warm welcome. Welcome to my small kitchen. In fact, it's just a hallway. Yes, the color of the day is red. It's because we're cooking with something red. In fact, as you've heard, only two ingredients. Chicken. This dish usually calls for chicken wings, but I have drumsticks. They will just take longer to cook. And the red stuff, it's coca-cola. Yes, just the two of them. It's really very simple. Listen to its fizz. And use half a liter. Totally immersing. So we'll just boil it. Simmer it at low flame. As it boils, the chicken absorbs the flavor, as it also marinates. While this cooks, I think we need some explaining to do. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola with chicken. Or chicken with Coca-Cola. You know, there are other sweet chicken dishes, traditionally Chinese. One is the honey lemon. Same principle. It is boiled, or the sauce is boiled until it becomes sticky and poured into the chicken, which is fried. This, we boil the chicken until the sauce becomes sticky. The sugar content makes it very sticky. And you might also ask, why no other spices, Romulo? It's because Coca-Cola has its flavor. It has its smell also, and it's just like cinnamon, which is a spice. That's why it works. We've done this before, but we added some spices. I think I've added onion and some ketchup. This time, only this Coca-Cola. I've done this with pork, chicken, and it really worked. By the way, this dish came from China. We'll just have to cover this so that it will not accelerate the evaporation. It might dry up before cooking. What I mean is, we need to slowly cook this so that the flavor, the spice of the Coca-Cola gets absorbed better by the chicken. Lid off. It's time to thicken the sauce. It has reduced to this much after 10 minutes. And after 10 more minutes, this is what we have. If you're finding the instructional as well as the entertainment value of this video, I invite you to subscribe. And on the 30th minute, really thick. Now, does it look like adobo? We have reached a critical moment. The sauce is now syrup-like, I should say. Let's keep on turning this until it becomes really thick. Really, really thick. Now it looks like canned chicken. On to our last minute. It's really thick, very, very thick. We want this to be as thick as possible without getting burned. And I think we've reached that state. It's time to turn it off. Yeah, you heard it. Let's just have this cool down before tasting. Remember, it has sugar, and sugar can really burn your tongue, or your mouth, or even your finger. More serious than water. Look at this thickness. We have to wipe the drips. I might as well plate it before it gets too cold. Voila! It really smells like Middle Eastern. This cinnamon suggests Middle East. Very simple. I'm not sure with the plating, but this was our only ingredient. Coca-Cola. We have to taste it. Really sticky. It reminds me of our barbecue, street barbecue, without the sourness of the Sprite and the soy sauce. I like this, really. It's simple. It's just sweet and a hint of cinnamon. Make one today. Very simple. You need this, only this. So as I enjoy this, I hope you've been inspired to do the same. Very simple this, at home or anywhere. There's no excuse. Anywhere you can get Coca-Cola, you can do this. Of course, Pepsi also works. I think the skin tastes the best. That was the most tasty. The skin.